Madison.
You
Madison. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Are you hungry? Your feet are too hot. They need to cool down.
Can we put them on a plate for you?
They're too hot, baby. Can you clap your hands? Let me see you clap your hands. Good job. Oh.
These are good, honey.
You don't like peas?
Okay. Let's go pick them up on the table.
Do you not like those, Madison?
Look what she did. She just made a mess.
I think Puppy will clean it up.
Are you going to clean it up, puppy? Oh, you want Mackenzie to come clean it up?
No. I think
You stinker!
not Mackenzie.